Introducing my latest creation. Watch as I bring the iconic Ninja Turtles to life in this sketch. And the best part is I didn't use Photoshop. So join me on a creative journey as I unveil my hand-drawn masterpiece in just few minutes. Meanwhile, if this is your first time, I want you to tap on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. This superhero needs a skin. I don't know. I ended up using this. It's a snake skin. So I quickly opened my Snapseed app and I'll be adding the skin. So I'll just quickly use the double exposure to add the skin. For those that don't know the app, this is Snapseed app. You can go to Google Play Store and download it. It's actually very helpful for editing photos and others. So we are still adding the skin. I'm sorry, I don't know whether you guys have problem with me calling it skin, but I can, okay, let me call it body. We're adding the body. I think skin is better. Adding the skin here is very fun, but it just require you to be a little bit careful so you won't pass the line. You have to, it doesn't have an undo place where you can reverse your action. So if you make mistake by crossing, you have to click this arrow down again to refill. So I think I'll have to fast forward the video to where I'm almost done. I'll see you there. So as you can see, it's not that bad. So at this point I was beginning to imagine how the design will turn out. So I quickly went to this app. This is where the main action is going to be done. So I'll name it Ninja Turtle. Well, we are working on Ninja Turtle, so it's okay to use it. So I'm going to import the image into this app. I don't know whether it's only me, but this is looking like watermelon. So let's get to work. I'll be adding the color to the eyelashes. So I'm using red. So we all know red is a sign of danger. Red eye. So at this point I was contemplating on what color to use for the mouth. So I finally had to go with this. But it cleaned up the teeth, the upper tooth. So I don't know. I had to totally clean everything off, and then I changed my mind again and brought back the tooth, the down one, so it will help me to sketch the teeth properly. So I'll fast forward it again till we see at the other side of the video. So here we are again. I had to both add the teeth and the tongue together. And this is the best part where we are going to be adding the shadows and the fade. So I don't know, I just decided to add the yellow lights from behind. I believe if you followed us to this point, you are enjoying and liking the video. Just like and subscribe to the channel. So I added this yellow reflection here. Shadow kind of makes an image look realistic. I'll also be adding the shadow effect around the eyes. As you can see, our sketch is beginning to look more realistic because of the shadows we've added, the shadow effect we added. So one trick to making your images look outstanding and realistic is adding of shadows. Okay. So we are going to add a little shadow around the eyes, and then we'll add the glow effect on the eyes and the teeth. So now is the time to add the glow effect. So select white and then touch it. The kind of brush we're using is a brush that fits, it fits in a magical way. So we are going to add it. And to the teeth also. So we'll be adding the finishing touchings, and other things. So if you followed the video to this point and there are things you like in the video, just drop the comment. And if there are things you feel that we should change, if there are things we feel that we should upgrading, just let us know. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video and see you next time. Bye.